Hello friends, I am Dr. Saurabh Gangwar, consultant Sanai Hospital, and today I will discuss how to calibrate the applanation tonometer. As we all know, applanation tonometry is the gold standard for measuring the intraocular pressure. But with time, the calibration of the applanation tonometer is lost and it starts giving the inaccurate readings, which are usually falsely higher IOP measurements. Therefore, it has to be calibrated time to time, and usually it is done once in a month. Now, this is the device or the gadget to check the calibration of the applanation tonometer. It has got two parts. This part is the steel rod. As you can see, it has got 5 markings on it. The central marking corresponds to the 0 millimeters of mercury. The second marking on the either side corresponds to the 20 millimeters of mercury, and this third reading on both the sides corresponds to the 60 millimeters of the mercury. This part is called as a weight balance or the weight device, which has to be mounted on the steel rod like this. Now to start the calibration, it has to be tightened at the 20 millimeters marks of the mercury, like this. Now after tightening it at the 20 millimeter marking, like this, we have to apply it on the groove which is present on the applanation upper side of the applanation tonometer. This is the groove, and we have to apply it like this. Now the longer arm has to face towards the examiner. As you can see, this is the orientation while doing the applanation tonometer. Now we will turn the knob, and while observing the movement of the applanating cone, right? Now we have started moving the knob like this. Here we have seen the movement of the applanating cone. Now we will note down the reading at where the movement has taken place. So it is well corresponding to the mark 2. Next step, we will turn the knob at the reading 3, and then from here we will go back towards the reading 2, and while observing the movement of the applanating cone like this. Here we have seen the movement of the applanating cone. Now if the movement of the applanating cone is within the range of 18 to 22 millimeters of mercury, then the tonometer is said to be in good calibration, and we can do it 2 or 3 times by moving the knob from the position 1 to 2 and from 3 to 2 while checking the movement of the applanating cone. Now in the next step, we will remove the device, and we will tighten this weight device at the marking 60. We apply back, and now we will turn the knob again. Now we go from reading 5 to 6 while observing the movement of the applanating cone. Here we are moving from 5 to 6. Here we have seen the movement of the applanating cone. Now again we move the knob towards the reading 7, and we go back towards the reading 6. Here we have seen the movement. Now if the reading falls again from this 58 to 62, then the applanation tonometer is said to be in good calibration, otherwise not. Thank you.